In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Bitcoin wallet address if you quickly need it to receive Bitcoin. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and recommend you a wallet and get you all set up. So first, what I would do is open up a web browser, and to be honest, make sure you're on your private network, make sure you're at home, and make sure you have time to do this and pay attention. So go ahead and open up your web browser, and you need a Bitcoin wallet. There are many Bitcoin wallets out there. I'm going to recommend you a wallet called Trust Wallet. So go to Google and type in Trust Wallet, and it's then going to load. Only click on it from trustwallet.com. Now by doing so, you know you're on the right place and you know you're downloading the official Trust Wallet. So go ahead and click download. It probably will redirect you to your web browser's store. So here you can see you can download for iOS, Android, or in my case Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on it here. It will then redirect me to the Chrome web store. Then we can go ahead and click add to Chrome, and this is going to allow us to add this extension to our Chrome web browser. Now once we've downloaded Trust Wallet, we can set it up and we can use it to receive Bitcoin. So let's get that done right now. So as Trust Wallet has installed, it will probably open by itself. So as you can see, it's opened in a new tab. If it doesn't open, you can go to your extensions in the top right hand corner and then click Trust Wallet, and then it will open a new tab. From here, you need to click create a new wallet and enter in a password. Once you've done that, go ahead and agree to the terms, click next, and it will take you to the next step. You can then go ahead and choose if you want to share your usage patterns with Trust Wallet. I'm going to click no thanks, I want to stay anonymous. Now you can see your wallet is ready to use, and you can set this as your default wallet if you want to. If you're unsure what this means or you don't want to do this, uncheck this and then just click open wallet. Now you're going to be taken inside of Trust Wallet. Now here's one thing I recommend before we start getting carried away and before we start receiving Bitcoin. Make sure that you back up your seed phrase. So it will show you this message at the top. Click on it. It's then going to show your 12-word secret phrase. Now if you were ever to lose access to your computer, or for some reason your files get corrupted with this secret phrase, which I'm going to click show, but you wouldn't show this in public, this secret phrase right here would allow you to get back into your wallet. Now I'm not going to use this wallet, so I'm happy sharing this, but you would want to write this down on a physical bit of paper and just store it somewhere safe. So if you ever do need it to get back into your funds, you're not going to be locked out. So now once you wrote that down, you can go ahead and click on Bitcoin. Now if you need to buy any Bitcoin, I'll leave links to exchanges in the description below with bonuses as well, so you can go and see if any of them are any good to you. But click on Bitcoin, click receive, and again it wants you to back up your secret phrase. I would recommend you do that, but click proceed, click Bitcoin, and here you go. Here is your Bitcoin QR code which someone can scan. If you need your address, click on copy, and this is your BTC Bitcoin address which you can give to someone. They can then send you Bitcoin.